Hello there, and welcome to the White Tiger Qigong channel. My name is Effie. Today I would like to invite you to join me in this slow Qigong flow. Together we are going to have a calming and rejuvenating practice that combines gentle movements, breathwork, and mindfulness to help harmonize our body, mind, and spirit. Through this slow flow practice, we aim to help you release stress, to improve flexibility, and boost your energy flow, leaving you with a sense of inner tranquility and joy. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. And now raise the spine up from the crown, as if somebody's pulling you from the crown up. The spine is stretched up. The arms hang loosely by the side of your body, and you allow the tailbone to drop. And just allow yourself to have an inner awareness of your body, the spine elongating, the tailbone dropped, and bring your hands to your lower abdomen. Release the chest, relax the chest, and take notice of your breath as it comes in and out like a wave. Breathe in softly and breathe out softly, placing your awareness in the lower abdomen. And just stay with your breath, allowing your breath to come in and out in its own accord. Now bring the palms up, connect the fingers all the way up and stretch them up over your head. Come up to your toes and then release the heels back down and stretch your side. Look up, then come up to the center. Press the balls of your feet to raise the heels, then release the heels and stretch on the other side. Again, come to center, come up to the balls of your feet, release the heels, and now allow the arms to come down slowly. Connect the fingers again, bring the palms up once more, all the way up to the balls of your feet. Stretch up the sides of your body, then release the heels and stretch the side. Look up. Come up all the way. Release the heels and stretch the other side. Press the balls of your feet, come up. Release the heels. Allow the arms to flow down. Now bring the palms up all the way to the chest and open your arms out to the side. Show the chest to the sky and tilt the head back as you allow the arms to float all the way to the back. Curve the back, hug yourself, press the balls of your feet and then release the arms. Open the arms out all the way to the back. Curve the back, hug yourself. Come to the balls of your feet and then release the heels down in your arms. Once more, open the chest, open the heart. Hug yourself, curve the back, rise up, release. Once more, open the arms, open the chest, and now bring the sides of your hands together in front of your chest. Inhale and just brush the hands to your thighs all the way up, slowly bringing your arms down through the central line of your body and release. Now I'm going to take you through an exercise called serving teacups, and we are going to start with demonstrating the arms. Bring your right arm just in front of you. The elbow is slightly bent and it's at the height of your eye level, and the other arm is by your waist. Both palms are facing up. Now the left wrist brushes the forearm of the right hand and you switch positions. Turn slowly towards your right and now slowly bring the left hand along the front of your waistline, all the way to the back of your waistline, and then take the arm around as you swing all the way around to the back and then to the front again to the initial position. Now switch hand. The wrist goes through the forearm of your left hand. Then you turn towards the left, the front of your waist, the back of your waist, always maintaining the gaze towards the hand all the way around, looking at the back of your palm, coming to the initial position. Switch hands, turn towards the right, all the way down to the back, maintaining your gaze on your hand as it goes around, all the way around and coming to the front. Once more, turn the front of the waist, the back, and go around, all the way around, coming back to the initial position. This exercise is performed in a horse stance position. So transfer your weight and come out to a mabu, horse stance. Stretch the spine up, allow the tailbone to drop and bring your arms to the initial position for serving teacups. Turn towards the left, all the way to the back, around, keeping your gaze at the back of your palm and coming to the front. Change the arms and turn towards the side, all the way down to the back and then around and again to the front. Be gentle with your movement. Don't overwork the spine. Just go up to where your body allows you at the current moment. And all the way back to the front. Change your arms. Go to the side. Follow your palm with your gaze, being mindful of every sensation in your body. Now let's include the breath. Breathe in as you bring the arm up. Breathe out as you go to the side, and breathe in as you brush the front of your waist. Breathe out when you go to the back, in when you go around, and then out again when you come back to the front. Breathe in when you change your arms. Breathe out slowly when you turn towards the side. In and out, going to the back. In as you go around, and when you reach the middle of the back, breathe out slowly as you bring the arm back to the front. Now slow inhalation, gently, softly breathe out. Breathe in softly and breathe out. Remember, this is a gentle, slow sequence. this particular time. And breathe out softly as you come back to the initial position. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out as you go to the back, and then all the way around, and then breathing out again, bringing it to the front. Now let's try something else. We are going to count our in-breath in 4 counts and our out-breath 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, breathe in for 4 and slowly breathe out for 7. In and softly out, and out softly. Continue like this, being mindful of your breathing. Gentle movements, soft. Don't overstretch your body in this Qigong flow. This is supposed to be a very gentle, slow Qigong flow. Out and breathe in, taking the arm around, and then exhale again as you bring the arm back to the front. Continue being mindful of all the sensations you have in your body, never overstretching yourself. Being mindful of the breathing. And when you're ready, release the arms, bring the leg in, not wider than shoulder width apart, and allow the arms to float by your side all the way over your head. Press the balls of your feet and release the arms back down slowly. And allow your body to settle. Allow the breath to settle. Bring the palms of your hand at the lower abdomen. And be mindful of your breath as it comes in and out. Be mindful of every sensation in your body after the Qigong practice. The breath is soft, smooth. And now bring your awareness to your lower abdomen, right behind your palms. And just stay there with your awareness in your lower dantian. Breathe in softly and breathe out softly. And stay there with your body, just observing the breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and release the arms to the side of your body. Thank you for joining me today in this gentle, slow flow. If you liked this video, please let us know by pressing the like button. If you would like to see more White Tiger Qigong videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.